Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a auto crafter setup. Well, as a matter of fact, I'm going to be showing you how to make two auto crafter setups. One that's compact and one that's one block wide, but is not tileable, so don't build them next to each other. I forgot to say this, but this tutorial is for compressing single items into blocks, or also crafting recipes that only contain one block or item. So like making a furnace, you can just disable this middle slot and put cobblestone in and it would fill in every single slot making furnaces. And this would work. You can do the same thing for stone bricks. If you disable these 5 slots and only leave these ones open, it'll fill up with stone and it'll create the stone brick. Alright, let's get straight into the video. For the one block wide, you're going to need 3 redstone comparators, 2 crafters, 2 redstone dust, 2 blocks of any kind that must be solid blocks, one observer, 1 hopper, and 1 bulb. Make it sure it's a waxed bulb so it doesn't randomly go off. You can find these in trial chambers or by clicking honeycomb onto a copper bulb. You're also going to need, or you don't really need, the iron, but I'm just going to be using it for testing. And you're also going to need something to break the blocks if you make a mistake. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, to get started, you're going to be placing 1 crafter facing you, and then 1 hopper to the right of the crafter. This is going to be the output right here, and this is going to be the input. Then you're going to put 1 comparator facing out of the crafter on the left side of the crafter, and then you're going to place 1 redstone dust. Then you're going to turn around facing the crafter. You're going to place 1 comparator and then a crafter. This is going to be facing any way since there's not going to be an input. My mistake, I broke that. Then you're going to go into the crafter and then click on 8 of these little slots, so that way they're all locked. And so that way you only have 1 that's not enabled or disabled. And then you're going to want to place 1 observer facing down, facing the redstone, and then your copper bulb on top of the observer, just like this. You're going to place 2 stone, 1 to the right of the observer, and 1 on top of the crafter. Then you're going to want to place 1 comparator facing out of the copper bulb, and then 1 redstone dust on top of this stone block in front of this comparator. And then that's pretty much it. You're going to want to place the iron in there, or whatever block you want to compress in there, and it should pop it out. This is pressure plate proof and button proof, so you don't get any of those from this design. And for this compact design, you're going to need 3 stone, 3 redstone comparators, 2 crafters, 2 redstone dust, 1 observer, 1 hopper, and 1 wax copper bulb. It's pretty much the same materials as the first one, the 1 wide, except you need 1 extra stone block or any solid block. Alright, let's build this one. So this one's pretty similar to the first one, except that it is a 2 wide. Basically, you're going to do the same as the first one, where you're going to place 1 crafter facing you, then a hopper to the right of the crafter. Then you're going to place 1 comparator to the left of this crafter, facing out, then redstone dust in front of the comparator, and then comparator facing the opposite way. Sorry, I made a mistake. Do not put the comparator there. Place a stone block on this side of the redstone, on this side, and then place a comparator facing the stone block. And then you're going to place a crafter right next to this crafter right here. This can be facing any way, but I like to face it up so you know it's not being used. Then you're going to also put in 8 slots here, just like how you did it on the first one. And then pretty much the rest of it is the same. You're going to place the observer on top of the redstone dust, put the copper bulb on top of the observer, and place the 2 stone on the right side of this observer. Then you're going to place the comparator facing out of the copper bulb. Then you're going to place your redstone dust. Pretty simple. Pretty much the same as that design, except you're just moving this crafter back instead of to the left. You can try it out. It'll work exactly the same. It's not going to make any pressure plates or buttons. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. and we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.